What's up? Welcome back. My sign name, and today we're going to be learning if deaf, people can see better. So there is studies to suggest people who are born deaf and they grow up that because they don't have the auditory cues that their vision can be better. With my hearing loss, I never experienced better vision. I actually need glasses and have glasses. So I don't know if that's everyone's experience or how true it is, if there is research to back that up. But there's deaf blind people, and yeah, I guess it depends on the person and if they have good eyesight or not. So I don't know.